Shalom. In this activity, we will learn how to propagate a plant using cutting propagation, knowledge of plant care, and proper usage of tools and equipment in planting. Propagation is the process of increasing the population or number of plants. There are different types of propagation. The one I chose is the cutting method. Cuttings are the most common and easiest method of propagation. It is a process whereby a vegetative part of a plant is cut off the parent plant and rooted. The rooted plant then becomes and develops into an entirely new plant. The cutting method is a process that is considerably easier than propagating by seed, which requires more work and takes a lot longer to establish. There are four main types of cutting propagation, and the one that I am going to use is the leaf cuttings. This process depends upon which type of plant you're trying to propagate. There are few methods, but a leaf stalk is usually removed and planted straight into a rooting medium. The one I chose to propagate is the snake plant. Snake plant or Dracaena trifasciata, formerly Sansevieria trifasciata, a low-maintenance, succulent, and popular houseplant. These are the steps in propagating snake plant by cutting method using soil. First, cut off a single leaf near the soil line. Second, snip the cut leaf into pieces, each about 2 inches. Then, let leaf cuttings callus for a couple of days. A callus is a soft, dry, whitish tissue that forms over the leaf's cut surface when the cut heals. Remember, roots will grow only from a cutting's bottom portion. Last, plant each leaf cutting into a well-draining potting soil. The advantages of this method is there is no need to keep root cuttings in water, and it is suitable for mixing different varieties like Sansevieria cylindrica and Sansevieria moonshine in one pot. While disadvantages are new plants may not have variegations and root growth isn't visible unless you dig up the plant. While doing this task, I felt a little nervous because this is my first time to propagate a plant. At the same time, it is also fun and exciting because it is a new experience for me and I learned a lot by doing this activity. If you are going to plant different kinds of trees, you have to know their type, methods of propagation, and their specific needs like sunlight, air, water, nutrients, and space to grow. Different kinds of trees have different kinds of need, but most importantly, it is our willingness and our passion in doing it. There are also some factors that we can consider in planting trees. These are soil quality, climate, sunlight, source of water, and proper spacing. Soil quality provides nutrients in plants that is necessary for normal plant growth and development. Climate is the most important factor affecting the growth of trees. Sunlight provides the energy plants need to convert carbon dioxide and water into carbohydrates and oxygen. Water is one of the components in the process of making food for the plant. Whether it came from different sources, water makes the leaves cool and dissolve the nutrients and transfer to other parts of the tree. Proper spacing will ensure the healthy root and canopy development, ability to properly absorb nutrients and water from the soil, decreased competition with other trees, and increased protection against pests and diseases. Gardening tools and equipments are important because they enhance efficiency, save time, and make gardening tasks easier and more enjoyable. It is important to know the correct usage of it because it helps improve plant health and growth, ensures the safety and protection of both the plant and the gardener, improves efficiency and time saving by using the appropriate tools. The gardener can complete his task more quickly and with less effort, and a regular maintenance routine keeps our garden tools and equipment in good working condition and help them last longer. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.